If you like wild and festive DIYs on a budget, you've come to the right place. Hey guys, I'm Junie the Orange Huntress, and welcome back to my channel where we bring the hunt home and the wild inside. I love fall. I don't know about you, but it is definitely my favorite season of the year. The leaves are all changing into beautiful colors, I get to go hunting, and my birthday happens in the fall. Cha-cha-cha. Well, in order to celebrate and bring in this amazing season, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful wild DIY wreath on a budget. And it all starts at the dollar store. And here we are at the local Dollar Tree. My Dollar Tree had some pretty good selection of picks and leaves and different fun doodads to stick in my wreath, but they didn't have a big selection of wreath forms. So once you've picked your wreath form, the antler you're going to use, you're going to need a hot glue gun, some fishing wire or thread, all the pretty things you picked up from your Dollar Tree or dollar store. My approach to fall is very loud and bold, but you do you. The first thing I needed to figure out was where my antler was going to sit on my wreath form. And once I figured that out, then I took my fishing line and I secured it in place. I did hot glue it down once I had everything on the form, but this really helped to keep it nice and sturdy as I was applying all of the leaves and extra decorations. And check for balance as well, because that base of the antler is quite heavy. Now that everything was secure, I started adding my leaves. I really enjoyed these ones because they just surrounded that wreath form really well. Be sure to open up the leaves, spread them out so then they fill the wreath exactly how you want it to look. And then secure everything down with your hot glue gun. You could stop here. I was actually going to stop here. So if you're looking for something simple, this is a good place to end. However, if you want to fill things up a bit more, then just keep adding until you're happy. I decided to not clip that metal part out of the wreath because I really wanted to give the wreath more stability. You can hide that metal by just adding more stuff. Just be sure to secure the edges of that down with some hot glue. And the finishing touch was this sign that I had made for my wreath last year. I decided to use some heavy duty twine, and you can secure it in the middle or on the sides with some hot glue. And here's the happy, fun, wild, exciting fall wreath. And if you want to see another fun, wild fall DIY wreath from some vines in my backyard, then leave me a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll catch you next Wednesday.